create to devastate, deep space blast off. I created, 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 I create to devastate, deep space blast off. Deep space blast off. I create to devastate, deep space blast off. Deep space blast off.
I'm glad we've gathered here together in this endless congregation, about my rhyme schemes and vital dreams of crowd participation. Creations by the pride with the vibe of deep space, devastating adversaries on the field of beat race. Take beats that seem impossible and make them look quite simple. I fight you to the death to defend my temple of faith. It was well worth your wait to enjoy what I created. I cremated your form of perception of fresh. Yes, I lick shots like a bullet lollipop, and my junk's the most deaf like a freaking body rock. Send cocksure kids back to the drawing board, rethink their game plan. I'm the same man that you battled and who beat you before. Tired of touring by myself, so when inspired by your missions, I assembled a collective, the dopest heads in existence. Pop Resistance has a name and a number. Deep Space Vibe, I for the title of the world's eighth wonder.
I create to devastate, deep space blast off. Deep space.
I create a rhyme to devastate your upper spine. When I procreate, it's definitely mine. It's not too late because I feel fine. For relying to you, I seem blind to you. Just cause I can't see it your way, it's okay. I live my life like I'm my own person, no rehearsing. Just write, rhyme, and master. It can't be done much faster. Just listen to how ill deep space is pure portrayed in a raid. No way am I the guy you heard 3 years ago on a compilation in Norway. Nor am I married or divorced, it seems too far away. I'm an MC, I do tapes, that's my way. But listen, a lab clip, ill trip, fat beat, don't rhyme display. You ain't heard it, that's a shame. I'm not the one to blame, cause we're not all the same. I don't look for fashion and fame. When I say my name's the listener, tell me what's my name.
I create to devastate, deep space blast off. Deep space.
I grip the microphone, my magic wand, assemble the Constructicons to form the deep space devastator. I'm proud to be a player hater, it's true, I don't hate you, I just hate the things that you do. But I use terms to grab your attention and mention your need for spiritual ascension. Shallow-minded, second-rate mentalities I devastate. Women use the crate to create your newfound fate. But wait, you wish you could win when you wage war against my team. But when we wreck, we get checked only by the true Omega Supreme.
I create to devastate, deep space blast off. Deep space blast off.
You are, I am, you were when was began, will remain beyond the end. Because you think therefore I am, cause you did, I can. Cause you breathe, my lungs expand. Cause you made the grains of sand, dolphins dancing on the liquid land. At your command you can't demand the globe to span. Make animals to flourish but give humans upper hands. Made our minds to understand, our souls to take a stand. You are Jehovah creator, I am syntax creation. And then the rains began, a flood to reprimand. God creates to devastate, then recreates the heart of man. Like a year 2000 plan, recodes each line to program. To withstand the millennium of your sin, you must be broken. That's where we come in, backspins of demolition of MCs with 1 to 5 on Dave Letterman's top 10. Friend or foe with the greatest type of enemy. We devastate your past to create for you eternity.
I create to devastate, deep space blast off.
Straight from God's lung, Deep Space 5. Approach the mic with preconceived words to get you loud. About the one who died, some survived, certified and glorified. All praise due to the Most High. We strive for perfection, my blessings illuminate. Stepping through crews we fake. You pick up pens and bring your friends to the shows and hand up hollow holes and parade the streets, spark clothes. And now you're down and up and around, and just by universal manifest an original sound. Busting through Genesis to Revelation, my speculation with observation creates devastation. What's the plan and demand in this world? Competition delivers strength if accepted B-boys and B-girls in this wide open plain to maintain my breath of life. Deep space blast off, right?
To devastate, deep space blast off.